Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, folks, we are talking about the one and only Dfinity Internet Computer, ICP, baby. Let's get right into this. We got a tweet out of the one and only Dominic Williams, who is in Dubai. Check out this room. What a skyline. Dubai is on my list of places to go. Let me know in the comments if you have ever been there. And Dom is in Dubai for World Blockchain Summit. So this is awesome, and he does have some speaking engagements there. Hopefully we get to see some sort of videos. Looks like they've got an absolutely stacked deck when it comes to professionals in the industry. So that is great to see. Crypto Leaks dropped this little teaser about a month ago now. 3 new Crypto Leaks cases now imminent. The new cases are important and shocking. We haven't seen a peep out of Crypto Leaks ever since, so I'm hoping they drop some alpha soon. Just wanted to highlight this community grants program, and this is something that is very dear to my heart. This has changed my life 100%, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But the community grants program is rebranding. They want the community to rename this program, and really, let me just be brutally honest with you guys. When I first got on with the grants program a year ago, the grants program had some issues. I don't think that there were enough people overseeing the grants program. I think it was maybe short-staffed to this point where people just couldn't keep up with the demand of the grants programs and things like that. So I don't know too much about it, but all I know is that Dfinity, they went ahead and completely stripped the grants program and they rebuilt it from the ground up. So it's in great hands right now. And I think that you should go ahead, try to come up with a clever name for this thing. Now, when we talk about the community grants program, and I'm going to share with you guys my intimate experience with this grants program. And if any of your favorite crypto chains are offering grants and you have a YouTube channel, you have a Twitter account, you are a writer, content creator, you make audio books, whatever it is, whatever language you speak, apply for those grants. Now, one of these things that the grants do is they allow community members to really network and, you know, promote ICP or crypto blockchains in general. But they're looking for people. If you're good at hosting events and you know a lot about the IC, well, here is an opportunity for you. If you know a lot about the tech on a technical level, here you go. This is for you. If you can get into a college curriculum, you know, high school course, like, get a grant and this will help you fund it. You know, content. Are you a video creator, audio creator, written content, highlights ICP tech, features, ecosystem, and the communities? I mean, there is something for everybody here if you just engage at a high level. And getting back to my experiences with the Dfinity grants program, a year ago, we were plagued with the fact that the grants program was understaffed. I think that at that time, ICP was touted as this rug pull project. And this is what just changed my life. You know, when I first started looking into Dfinity and actually using the tech before I got the grant, I was like, I'm not buying this rug pull stuff. This is ludicrous. Like, this tech is phenomenal. There'd be these huge smear campaign articles by like Arkham Intelligence, the New York Times, and I'm just like going, wow, something is off here. Somebody wants this project to fail. And so I ended up going down this rabbit hole. And this is an opportunity is what this grants program is. And I took this opportunity. I went down this rabbit hole, discovered that FTX had rug pulled Dfinity's token launch. I had gone through endless amounts of data of every exchange that listed ICP the day it launched. I had to go through like 6 or 7 exchanges data, spot price data. I had to go through all their futures trading data, all that stuff. And really, when it came down to it, I was able to discover that FTX was pulling illegal market manipulation moves on competing projects to Solana. And then it all made sense. FTX rug pulled Dfinity's ICP token launch. They rug pulled the Ronin Network token launch. So the foundation had no idea that this was even the case. This was just absolute accident that I discovered all of this stuff. And it would have never happened if this grant program was not in place. So I took my first grant. I felt like, man, I accomplished some things here. And then I applied for a second grant. And by the time the second grant rolled around, we were starting to kind of see the narrative change, and people were no longer referring to Dfinity as a rug pull, because we got the truth out, folks. The community broke the truth about what happened. And you know what? All these great connections that you make through these grants programs, whether it's people at the Dfinity Foundation, whether it is other crypto influencers that are working on grants or things like that, I'm telling you guys, this is an opportunity, and inside this opportunity, there is endless amounts of opportunity. And the Dfinity Foundation has been very good to me. And that's why I am so loyal, to this grants program, because it really has changed my life. I will throw a link to this application in the pinned comment. If you're running a YouTube channel, if you're running whatever, I want you to apply for it. This is a very simple form to fill out. They are asking you very straightforward questions. So if you have any questions, just feel free to DM me at the Dmail web address on the banner of my YouTube channel. On to the next subject. We got a tweet out of the Neurotic Podcast, now streaming episode 54. ICP Jesse and Kyle Langham discuss this week's banking crisis, then go deep into AI on ICP. So I'll link to these guys in the pinned comments as well. They put on one hell of a show. I just wanted to highlight that. It shouldn't go unnoticed. I mean, they're crushing it with 805 views. That's not to mention how many people are probably downloading their podcasts and stuff like that. Scott Summers at Scott Summers ICP. Go give him a follow. Big ICP milestone. 100,000 ICP burns. So as people use the IC, it burns ICP. Capiche? Now, the internet computer is up 0.1% on the day, 10% on the week. So it's not bad. It's sitting at rank number 37 on this chart. You guys can see it's competing right now with VeChain and Stacks, which I've never heard of. Now, I want you guys to go ahead here, and in the bio of my Twitter account, I have a link that looks like a scam link. Make sure that this is my account that you are following. And basically, this will take you to one of my open chat groups. And if you're interested in trading, whether it's stocks, crypto, Forex, options traders, folks, this is where I am. In between these videos that I do, I'm posting charts, setups, and I would encourage anyone else to post charts, setups, questions about trading. This is a community think tank, and I have actually named it the Trade Tank Community. So this is a community that discusses trading. We discuss prices, setups, patterns, and once or twice a day, I will sit down at my computer and I will field messages and I will respond to you no matter what your question is. So right now, Bitcoin, folks, and the rest of crypto markets are passing the sniff test when Lambo. I thought this was a freaking hilarious picture. I am not a Republican, nor am I a Democrat. I refuse to give any allegiance to any political party. I vote for the people that will benefit me the most at given time. So I thought that was hilarious. But yeah, hit up open chat and let's just take a look at the charts. And like I was telling, I was dropping the absolute alpha in my trading chat group. You know, really, I told them, watch for price to come up anywhere in this box. And then I was really kind of eyeing up this level right around this $5.50 level. And I told them that we need to see price break above $5.74, folks. So we saw ICP come up, hit this target perfectly, and retrace just like we thought it would. Then it came up and hit this other target absolutely perfectly like I thought it would. The problem is here, we need this price to really break above these $5.78 levels so we can crush this harmonic pattern. Because right now, this harmonic pattern is still valid. There is about 3 or 4 different patterns running right here on the charts. It's freaking nuts. So right now, we've got this falling wedge. We've got a really wicked head and shoulders pattern, which is sitting like this, and we could see this happen. But then we've got this falling wedge, and this is what I'm trying to help people identify in the trade tank community, is these types of patterns. Not only do we have those gigantic patterns on a smaller level, we've got this bearish harmonic pattern that could be setting up. We could be getting ready to see the price get stripped down to $4.50. But then there is some other patterns as well. You could argue that there may be some sort of cup and handle that is forming here. I think we could also argue that, guess what? We have what's called an ascending triangle that is forming possibly as well. Right now, we are seeing price break out of this falling wedge, which is great, and we are seeing it come down and test the falling wedge. Now, we need to really see if the price of ICP will come up and create this squeeze to propel price to the upside. If it doesn't, we are likely to see this harmonic pattern play out, and that's this blue shaded area. So right now I'm waiting for ICP to really bounce off this $5.40 level-ish, which it's kind of doing right now. But if you see this thing trading below, man, $5.30, I'm just going to go $5.29, we could be in trouble. The ascending triangle is pretty much off the table. If we get a break below like this $5.36-ish level. So that is the wicked ass high level alpha that you are getting from me today. This is like a big squeeze that is going on, and we're going to see things really kind of make a move here. Big shout out to everyone that has kind of sent me a message asking me about my face. No, I have not gotten into any bare knuckle boxing matches or anything like that. I've mentioned about a month and a half ago that I got skin cancer, and so I've got this chemo cream stuff on my cheeks. It's just killing me and back. And so like basically this stuff just burns your skin off over the course of about 3 weeks, and it's really getting bad and it's really starting to hurt. So I'm hoping I got like 10 more days of this and I can start to heal. So bear with me and like this fight, Mark. But if anyone else out there is asking, tell them that yeah, he was bare knuckle boxing somebody. Talk me up, folks. But I love you all. We'll see you on the next video.